That's why I want to put
Okay. I see one boss and look into this one now.
I won't dig almost to that. I was so close, but I won't dig and go down small.
Okay.
I'll come tomorrow, make it easy for me to do.
Okay. Even the work I don't already see if you finish today, so. This sense if you finish today. And tomorrow I can't complete the work. Tomorrow the work will complete. It's my phone and the memory of this phone very long. If you don't see the video like this, they take time. Now you're still gonna see plumber too. I think I help him be to you.
You see a part of work, I get a plumber, I will see no help again.